This 55 Bel Air is a car that backs proven Vortec power with an upgraded drivetrain and custom leather upholstery. It's pretty evident that the goal of this Chevy's build was to create one of the coolest cruisers on the strip. Sealed in a superb combination of charcoal gray and Brickhouse Red, this slick Bel Air is the beneficiary of an extensive ground-up restoration. Naturally, the pros who massaged this sedan's timeless body paid plenty of attention to the fundamentals, but their primary focus was creating the most perfect surfacing possible, and that surfacing is founded on solid panels that are impressively flat. A custom leather interior creates the perfect contrast for Brickhouse Red paint that adorns the car's dash and window frames. A quartet of stitch buckets mixes modern lap belts with power adjustment for the driver and front passenger. A stylish dash wraps bowtie-stamped stainless around direct-fit audio, vintage air climate control. A custom console centers a small shifter between cup holders and courtesy lamps, and the driver spins a Billet Specialties steering wheel around a tilting column. Lift the hood and you'll find 6.2 liters of tough Vortec small block that's good for over 400 horsepower. Behind that aluminum mill, a modern GM 6L 86-speed automatic spins a proven Ford 9-inch axle. Wrapped in a detailed frame-off restoration that would probably take a second mortgage to duplicate, this Chevy rolls on the right side of impressive. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.